Hello. This video is the installation of a Tiger Shark filter system on a summerwaves pool. I got this pump from Island Recreation. I'm not sure if there's places like that where you are. It was very easy, and you'll see that next. Hello all. I purchased a summerwaves Elite pool last year. A standard 1000 GPH pump. Does not really do the job. So this year I'm upgrading to a sand pump. It is a Tiger 3/4 horsepower machine. I will be showing you the before and after. After today, I will be hard piping it. First is just getting it up and running. So I'll be back. I'm back. I have finished the installation of the pump. I chose to upgrade the 1.5, 1 1/4 inch hoses that are stock to heavy duty 3-foot hoses. These hoses work perfectly. They actually fit directly over the old connections. No additional fittings were necessary. Altogether, very, very nice. All installed. Here's the original piping that comes with the pump. That's the sand I used. And let's kick this baby on. So, looks like I need to tighten a couple of things. A little bit of dripping. So, I'll be doing that in a moment. But all in all, simple installation. So far, I'm liking this pump, do it by Blue Torrent, and it's very hard to see, but the flow of the water is coming out nice. I've tightened everything up. Pump is up and running, looking good. I'll be periodically checking for leaks, make sure everything's good. I want to also let everyone know that this kit comes with plenty of hose clamps. Comes with these adapters, which I believe are used on the Intex pools that everybody wants. It's my recommendation that you upgrade your hoses, get the proper length that you need. Makes this installation simple versus some of the other people you've seen on the internet where they have all sorts of adapters and clamps. I'm gonna be hard piping. I'm back. So what I did is I made a connection to hook up the vacuum with the existing filter rack system by disassembling the old pump unit. This isn't a new pump I have, that's an extra. And as you can see here, the pump comes apart. So what you do is you take everything apart, you remove the impeller, you remove the rod, you carve this piece out, this triangular piece out, then this just gets stored away. What I did is I carved this whole piece of section out. You can see here what it looks like. Before, after. I didn't have a 2-inch to 2-inch couple, so I had to modify this 1 1/4 coupling. This connects into the top. Now you have an easy connection. That connection will sit right on top of the motor. At that point, making a clean connection for the water to filter through the hose into the pump. So what we need to do now is turn the pump on. As you see, the pump is working, operational, no issues. So now what we have to do is we have to prime the hose. Prime the hose, take the vacuum portion of the hose here, and we plug it where the water's coming out, the jet. And now I'm going to fill the hose so I have no air in the hose. Full flow of water in the hose. At this point, put it in the water again, slide it into the filter box. Now I'm going to put the hose into the suction portion of the old skimmer. It is now connected. You'll see that the pump had no effect. I still have full flow of water out of my filter and pump, and I have a hose that is sucking water to the vacuum. Hello everyone. Yesterday I had to cut the video short due to the weather, but today I just finished vacuuming the pool one more time. And in conclusion to this video, I would highly recommend this system, the Tiger Shark filter system, and the ease of modifying your poly group filter box, not filter box, I'm sorry, skimmer box. And hope this helps everybody out. Sorry for the bad editing and some of the stuttering and so forth. Have a good day.